Yes, I already know you don't have any product and you're not willing to create product because you don't have chance. Probably you are busy with work, but you still want to sell digital product online and build business around that. So this very platform which I'm about to show you right now says you can actually come even if you don't have any product, and the best part, you can handle this with your mobile phone and internet connection. What you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to be breaking it down step by step on how this works and how you can actually get started. And the best part, you can choose any niche of your choice and focus on. So this very video, I'm going to be revealing the best selling product type on this very platform. I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually start selling this particular product, and thirdly, I'm going to be showing you the best platform for you to sell this particular product, which I use as well. And the first step, I'm going to be showing you a bonus tip that's going to simply help you a lot, which most of my students are utilizing. Let's grab your popcorn, let's get into it right now. Okay, what you need to do is simply come over to this particular website right here. Once you're on this very platform, go ahead and search for Selar. Okay, you search for this on this particular website. When you search for this, the next thing to do is to actually click on this particular push right here. Once on this very page, scroll down this very section right here, click on this join Telegram, click on the join WhatsApp, scroll down a little bit from this very section right here and click on this button right here. When you click on this is going to simply take you to this very platform which I'm about showing you, and this is what they said here. You can actually build business promoting other people's product, all right, which means you don't have to create this product yourself, you don't have to deliver it, you don't have to ship it. People that are interested in that product are going to simply buy from you, and when they buy, the owner of this particular product is going to simply give you a certain commission which they've already embedded automatically on this particular product. Okay, what you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up your account as an affiliate, all right, and because you're using this particular link right here from this very website, you're going to simply get a discount, all right. And once you're on this very section right here, you're going to see a lot of products right here on this very platform that you can actually explore. If you click on the explore section right here, you're going to see a lot of products, from digital products to physical products. All you need to do is simply pick the product that resonates well with what people are searching for right now in 2026, 2027 and beyond, right? And the reason why I'm making this video is because one of my students, who is also an affiliate to Pirate Vibes store, has been using our own product, promoting our own product to his audience, and with the commission we've already set aside for all affiliates, is actually benefiting from that. Okay, and because of that, I decided to make this video for people who don't actually know about this one. All right, so what you need to do, for instance, we have some product on this very platform which people actually promote for us. Let's say if you search for Pirate Vibes right here. Okay, so if you search for Pirate Vibes, you're going to see our own affiliate products right here. You can see, and these are digital products for affiliates to promote. Okay, and also when you're picking your product, you have to be mindful of the content niche that you are into. All right, if you create content on your website and that particular website is all about sport, what you need to do is simply look out for products that are related to sport. All right, so if you create content on your website, blog, that are related to business, finance, investing, side hustles, online business and lot more, what you need to do is simply look out for products that are related to that same stuff, right? And because they've already consumed content right here and they believe in me, they trust me for what I can actually recommend, they're going to simply buy from me, because this content platform is your own traffic stream. Okay, so gone are those days when you pick a product, affiliate product, and you go to your WhatsApp and start sharing it to your friends on WhatsApp. No, it doesn't work that way. Those people are not really interested in those things you're sharing with them. What you need to do is simply put it out on the public space from your own website blog. When you put it out there, people are going to simply patronize you and buy from you. Okay, so let's say for instance you come over to Selar right here and you pick a product. Let's say if I want to promote this AI novel prompt pack digital product, okay, if I want to promote this for Pirate Vibes, or I want to use another product, any product I want to use, it's basically the same method. All right, so what you need to do is simply pick something that is related to the type of content you publish on your website. And if you don't have a website, it is very much necessary to get a website, because as an affiliate you need a website for this to work for you. When people see a custom-made professional website URL, they're going to simply trust you the more. Let's say I want to promote this particular product right here. Get the link and click on this, and when you apply for as many as possible from this very section, what you need to do is simply go back to the affiliate link section right here. You're going to see the links of the products you've already selected. Let's say if I want to select this one right here, then paste it right here. Okay, so this is going to simply open to that exact product you want to promote, right? So if this is the product right here, what you need to do is simply take note of all the details right here, all the details, the pricing, every single stuff. Once you have this in place, the next thing to do is simply logging back to your website from this very section. So the next thing to do is simply click on this post button right here. Remember, you already know your niche. Click on the add new post. Okay, on this very post section, you have to add your title. What you need to do is simply come to this very prompt pack. Once you have this prompt pack, the next thing to do is to make sure you add the product information, you add the product name here, you add the URL of that product, you add the category, you add the price, okay, targeted audience, and a lot more, right? So what you need to do is simply come back to the product you are promoting, and you have to simply copy a little snippet of it, okay? Go ahead and copy the product, then come back here, come to product name, add it here, okay. Once you add that, then copy some information about that same product. Scroll down here, okay. Come to this section right here again, then add some of this information here. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing it. I'm going to be giving you this prompt without adding these things so that you can be able to add your own, right? So once you have this in place, go back to the product again, copy the URL of that product, so what you need to do is simply fill in all these details right here, fill in all the details with the product information you are promoting. Copy everything the way it is. So once you have that in place, go ahead and add the prompt you've already customized for yourself. When you have your content ready, make sure you edit this content, make sure you add your details as well. Again, you make sure you add screenshots, okay, of that same stuff you are promoting, and also make sure you add a disclaimer telling people that this is an affiliate link. If you purchase it, I'll be able to get from some commission, and with that disclaimer alone, you are covered and your audience are going to simply trust you. So once you have that in place, go back to your website, then you can pick a place where you want to add it. Let's say you want to add it here. You have to make sure you add the disclaimer at the end part of the post telling people that there's an affiliate link. Let's go ahead and add the featured image, okay. Alright, so click on this set featured image, and this will be set for you as a featured image. Alright, okay, so this is it right here. Okay, so once you have this in place, go ahead and review every single thing, every single detail. Make sure that this is an honest and detailed review, okay. Simply go ahead and publish this particular post. Okay, you can see right here the post has been published, and with this we can actually promote this on our website, and every single visitor that visits on our website can actually see this prompt pack, okay. And with this, you don't need to start chatting people on WhatsApp or start sending them emails every single time convincing them to buy. No, you're going to simply give them the solution, what they're going to simply get, the benefit they're going to simply get from this particular product you're promoting, and with that you can simply promote multiple products on your website with the same strategy, and you can get more traffic, more visibility to your website by actually watching this particular video right here, which I've already made. This particular video right here is going to simply help you get recurrent traffic for your website, okay. You can also integrate Jetpack to your website so that each time you make a post, automatically it's going to simply go to Pinterest, it's going to go to Facebook, X, and other platforms where you can actually get some recurring social media traffic for yourself, okay, even without even depending on Google, without depending on SEO, and lots more, okay. And with this strategy, you'll be able to promote different products. So if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here, okay. If you want the prompt pack, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to send it out to you. See you in the next update.